open up the browser and type in 192.168.0.1. In some case it could be 192.168.1.1. In my case it's 192.168.0.1. Then press enter, and then it will show you the options for TP-Link. Because I'm connected at the moment with the wired connection with TP-Link new router. So click on network, and I'm going to change the IP address to 191.168.0.2 because the main router the IP address is 192.168.0.1. So I'm changing it to 2, and then click and save, and it will reboot your router. Then we come back to this page. Once you are here, we'll go to say DHCP, and then we'll disable the options, DHCP options for this router, because this is a secondary router. We don't want any conflict between the primary router and the secondary router, because the primary router will give all the static or IP addresses. We don't want secondary router to interrupt. Then we go to wireless and scan, as you can see, and then we select the primary router, wireless router, and select that and click save. Oh, you need to put the password in for the primary router. Put your password in and click save, and then we can go to operation mode and then select range extender and click OK. It might take some time, and it will reboot your secondary wireless router. And once it's done, I'm still connected with the LAN cable with the secondary router, which is the TP-Link, and then type in 192.168.0.1. You can see it's selected as a range extender, and you will be connected with the internet. If you click here and then .2, nothing happens, and click there, you go .1, it takes you to the main router, which in my case it's a Telstra modem. And Google works fine. Click on Google, it's working. Thanks for watching. Click on like button if this video was helpful to you. Peace.